This restaurant is located in Mawlai, near to Don Bosco Museum, specialized in South Indian, especially dosa with 3 varieties of chutney and some other foods, Chinese varieties, all you can enjoy. See that. Not only South Indian dosas, you can enjoy Chinese varieties like momos, noodles and different varieties. See that how it look inside. See the decorations. This is the owner and you can see that arrangements. Wow, nice. It's really beautiful and you can see that. Wow. Yeah, the location is very peaceful and nice. These are the feedback of the customers. Yeah, something is written in Malayalam, Kidukachi, which means superb. This is written by IFLU students, Shillong campus. The owner is from Mawlai. He is a bike rider. This is the menu. There are some other menus also. And he is a bike rider. You can see the bullet parts. How he has used the parts of the bullets. Since he is a rider, he has so many friends from South, especially from Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And he has learned how to cook dosa from his Chennai friend, and not actually from Chennai, actually from southern Tamil Nadu, from Ambasamudram. And see that you can reviews anyone can give, and so many singers photos also you can see. Restaurant is that arrangement is so wow. Yeah. This is the bullet parts. It's a peaceful place for everyone, couples, family, loves, everyone. The best dosa I ever had in Shillong city. Best one. Yeah, this is the place for washing. Yes.
So the food was very good. Dosa was very nice. Come. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Restaurant. Very nice. 3 little birds and our Bob Marley. Nice one. Okay. So we had a nice experience here. Dosa was very nice, crispy, and different varieties of chutneys also were there. So all from Meghalaya or even from any part of this country can come and visit this restaurant. Nice experience. See. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Jim Radar. Bye. Have a nice